90 is 45% of what number? Okay, so we want to think about each one of these words here, each one of these numbers and words. 90 is 45%. Now the first thing is the 45% is called the rate. Okay, we'll come back to that in a minute, but the percentage is the rate of the base or of what number. So we are saying that 45%, let's write this up here and erase this so we get to have some more room to write some things here. Now, we're going to have two fractions that are equal. One fraction equals another fraction. And your rate was what? What number is your rate? 45% is your rate. Your rate is always the left fraction. So 45% written as a fraction is 45 over 100. This is your left fraction. The left fraction is always the percent or the rate. Okay? Now, of x, of what number? Of the unknown x. Okay, so what number is the x? And x turns out to be the base because it comes after the word of. Okay? The number that comes after of is the base. So what number, or x, or the unknown, the x is the base, and the base goes in the basement, or the bottom. The only other place for the 90 is right here. Copy that down here. Now, when you have two fractions that are equal, you cross multiply. You cross these two, and that equals 45 times x. Anyway, you multiply 90 times 100 to get x, then you will divide by the 45. Let me show you. Okay, we're going to do 90 times 100. X equals 90 times 100 divided by the other number 45. Okay? Now, 90 times 100 is 9 with how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. A 9 times 1 is 9 with 3 zeros. Okay? Now, 90 divided by 45 is 2. 90 divided by 45 is 2. So we're going to have a 200 is going to be the answer. 200. 45 goes into 90 two times, and then you add these two zeros there. So 90 is 45% of what number? 200.